Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Gazir. We'll delve into their unique approaches to battle rap, examining what makes each artist a formidable opponent. This analysis will highlight their strengths, weaknesses, and overall contributions to the competitive freestyle landscape. Excel, a seasoned battle rapper, brings a distinct style to the ring. He often showcases intricate wordplay and complex rhyme schemes, demonstrating a deep understanding of lyrical construction. His aggressive delivery and commanding stage presence can overwhelm adversaries, while his impactful punchlines and creative angles frequently leave a lasting impression on judges and fans alike. Gazir, often called El Arcangel Gabriel, is celebrated for his rapid-fire improvisation and incredibly precise responses. He exhibits exceptional adaptability, quickly dissecting opponents' bars and crafting intricate rebuttals on the spot. His complex structures, clever wordplay, and use of double meanings are highly praised, making him a consistent threat in major competitions like Red Bull Battle and FMS. When comparing Excel and Gazir, we see a clash of styles. Excel's more structured, pre-written approach versus Gazir's unparalleled spontaneous improvisation. While both are formidable, Gazir's consistent success in major international competitions, including national championships and high placements in global finals, often gives him an edge in adaptability and real-time creativity. For more details and other great deals, check the description below and consider upgrading your home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.